So I heard about the Koan practice. What is sudden awakening?
Sudden, all awakening is a sudden, but how or what methods could we use to turn around our own awareness and see clearly, as we say in Zen, what is my own nature? As a human being, we believe we have some particular identity and we cling to that. But in the Zen teaching, in the Buddhist teaching, we know that what we actually are, our true nature, which is not something we can always see clearly, but when we can experience it, we know it has no limitations at all. It's truly something boundless and free. It also is not limited, especially by this idea of a solid self, which is separate from other phenomena. So Koan is one of the methods developed in the Zen school very strongly to help us have that experience, what we call awakening, or in Japanese we say kensho, to see your own nature. Koan method is very interesting. Really, any deep inquiry or question which forces you to face that existential dilemma, we could say. We can call it koan. So a very simple koan, for example, is a question, who am I? Or what am I? Now, how do I answer that one? We have a common answer. I'm Meido, or this is my name, my identity, my history. But the Zen experience is much deeper than that. So the question itself becomes a focus in the meditation practice and allows us to break through the layers of our habitual ignorance or delusion and have the experience which the Buddha had. And there's many koan. Who am I is a very simple one, very profound, but very simple one. We have many other koan which are taken from the Zen records, or the records of the encounters between the Zen monks and the masters in ancient China and Japan. And we could see from those episodes that are recorded how the enlightened mind of those great masters could function. And by contemplating or working on the koan, not intellectually, but with the whole body, with the breath and the energy and the physical form, we could ourselves go into those situations. And we could experience for ourselves the mind of the great masters like Rinzai or Joshu and so on. So the koan is a method really that allows us to touch the mind of the ancient masters and recognize for ourselves what they understood. It's a very ingenious method, and the Rinzai school, especially in Japan, developed it, refined it to a very high degree.